Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about XRP, what's going on now with this stock and with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, just a spoiler. I don't think so. The $3.40, it was the last point for XRP. So it's just a quick spoiler for everyone who scared and think it was the end of cycle for XRP. No, but I don't believe in $10 or $7 for XRP with ETF, without ETF, absolutely doesn't matter. You know, I truly believe we can hit $4.08 this target and $5.39. So this is the next target, what I can see for XRP, and it can be the three drivers pattern on a daily time frame. Here, it can be the end of March 25, for example, if we just in theory talk about the dates, right? So it can be the week candle, I don't know, beginning of middle of April, like this one, or I don't know, I don't think so. It can be the June 25, but maybe it's going to be the May with a week candle $5.38. So this is the next target. Why I think this one? Because we use that FIB since this top. April 21 on the daily time frame, all FIB playing out perfectly well. So for XRP, everything playing out perfectly well. Sell side liquidity will not sweep it. Here 27 blocks. So you remember all my previous videos and the main bull run plan for XRP I share with you, I guess, in 23. So this is absolutely the same FIB. And here on that drop, we tested perfectly $1.77. So here I posted the video with indicator size, so it's okay. Time to fix some profit because we got here signals to sell, drop, bounce, signals to sell, and this is distribution, this is apria, and now here we almost at the same level. So it was like $3.37, now it's $2.48, but here this was a crazy apria, this is disbelief, this is disbelief. So pretty good one. Worst case scenario for XRP, of course, if we go in lower than this liquidity pool, $1.50 and all of that stuff, but I don't think so. We will drop so low. Technically, yes, we can come back and close, for example, I don't know, 50% of this week candle. Now, in the future, definitely will drop lower in the bear market. Will drop lower than $1.50 for sure, I think. So here we can form market model. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Here, this was a signal to sell. This is apria, and we can form one more and bigger the warranty on the weekly and on the daily. So it's gonna look like this one, for example. We can pump, and pump on the chart, but at $5, you can't even imagine what apria will be about the XRP with ETF. Is going to be the top of the top, you know, and technically it can looks like end of cycle for XRP. It can looks like this one, for example, then drop in summer, consolidation, bounce, not break of structure, and going down to the bear market. So this is the case, guys. And if you think it's not a big deal, so XRP will go to $10 and all of that stuff, just compare the gains from COVID dump to the top, and what do we see now? So that's it, guys. So XRP performed pretty good one. Of course, on some charts we hit the all-time high, on some not. So here we sweep the high on Bitstamp. On CoinMarketCap still not. So this is the case, and here is also the same FIB. So absolutely all targets relevant. Here is a $4.10, $5.42. So just with the magnet a little bit adjusted the levels. So guys, we can work with both of that tips. You know, I don't think so. We will now bounce like $2.92 or $3, sweep that high and form the, you know, like a weekly time frame head and shoulder and going down to the bear market. I don't think so. But if we will, you can imagine what will happen with other tokens. Because imagine if it's the end of cycle, what will be with even the Algorand, even the HBAR, Sol, I don't know, IOTA. Imagine if there really it's end of cycle and we go into the bear market. We we should send all of that startup devs to prison, because they work so hard on something, 3 years we work so hard on something, we deliver, we improve the blockchain, blah, 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 all of that stuff. They get a fundraising rounds, partnership, and finish the cycle like this one. It's just madness. It's just a madness. So for XRP, I guess everything okay. Money power. So I think everything okay. We can see one more leg up, $4.10, $5.42, but it will be the end of cycle for sure. But it's just my take, guys. So here, this is a money inflow, June, summer 2024. It was a money inflow. Here's a money outflow. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. Money outflow, average side, bearish divergence, drop. No new money inflow. So it's logical, right? Daily time frame. Here is all that time period. There was fixed profit, and I think with some ETF rumors or the news about ETF, yes, we can go higher, but it will be not a buy news. It will be the sell news, sell facts. Trade on, sell, drop, buy back, sell, drop, buy back. No signal to buy, no signal to buy back again. Unfortunately now. Sell. Here's how we playing out sell before. Sell, sell, drop, buy back, pump, sell, and dump. So, of course, is it possible? So the $3.40, it was the end of cycle? Yes. Yes, guys, we can't know in the moment. We can't know. So I think we will see the price higher because of BTC dominance, still so high, and we didn't see the main altcoin season. But of course, we got a limitation by growth. Anyway, believe it or not. Global chart here, exit line now for XRP $1.33. Buy line is 59 cents. Guys, no makes sense to scream, no, we not drop to the buy line. Sooner or later, anyway, we will drop. So believe it or not, you can open the chart of Fetch AI. So we've been at at $3, or even $4, and after that dump it just in a month or even a year, dump it to 77 cents. Because all lines are dynamic. So maybe will be absolutely the same story with XRP, like this move, and then slowly but surely going down till that time. Here will be the February 26, for example, $1.50. We can't know right anymore. But the moment when we will drop and test the buy line fundamental and test the fundamental wall of this token on the weekly frame, it will happen. Believe you or not. You can hate it, you can love it. Take a look, the buy line on the daily time frame, now it's $1.68, this one. Fundamental value of this token is $1.27. Take profit line, now it's $3.37. Exit line, it's $3.81. And 12-hour time frame here, this is what I talk about. So this is a $3.68, exit line $4.15. So this is what I'm waiting for here. We tested on the 12-hour time frame till penny, the buy line bounce it. So now would be good to see not this move to retest the buy line and going down. No, because we're gonna waste the time. We just in a sideline, this move and going down. So this is just my take, guys. So now we're just in the middle. We can't know. So or it's can be like 67% up, or it can be 25% down, or 44. Now we're just in the middle. My take, like conclusion, I think we will see the green spring, March, April, May, some of that months. We will see the new all-time high for XRP. And last volatile summer and some sell-off. Maybe after they will approve the XRP ETF. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what do you think about XRP. What is your main target for this token by end of this cycle? And if you would like to trade with my custom maker style what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.